Only 1% of people get this right. Can you actually understand real English in movies? Or are you just guessing? 90% of learners fail this test, even after years of studying. Let's see where you stand. In this video, you'll test your ability to understand real movie English, fast speech, slang, and natural expressions. This is the English native speakers actually use. If you can pass this, you're ready for real conversations. Let's begin. Question 1. In a movie, someone says, "I'm gonna head out." What does it mean?
Ted, I'm gonna head out.
I'm gonna head out.
I'm gonna head out.
A, I'm going to sleep. B, I'm leaving. C, I'm angry. Correct answer? B, I'm leaving. Gonna means going to, and head out means leave casually. Question 2. She's kinda into him. What does this mean?
Actually, she's kind of into me.
A, she dislikes him. B, she is interested in him. C, she is afraid of him. Correct answer? B, she is interested in him. Kinda equals kind of. A little. Question 3. He totally blew it. What does blew it mean?
I totally blew it.
He blew it.
You blew it, dude.
You totally blew it.
A, he succeeded. B, he made a mistake. C, he ran away. Correct answer? B, he made a mistake. Question 4. I'll catch up with you later. What does it mean?
I'll catch up with you later.
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 A, I will run after you. B, I will talk to you later. C, I will copy you. Correct answer? B, I will talk to you later. Question 5. That's on me. What does it mean?
That's on me.
That's on me. That's on me. I encourage.
A, it's my responsibility. B, it's on top of me. C, I don't care. Correct answer? A, it's my responsibility. Question 6. I'm broke. What does it mean?
I'm broke, nigga. I'm broke.
I'm broke.
I'm broke.
Broke. I'm broke.
A, I'm tired. B, I have no money. C, I'm sick. Correct answer? B, I have no money. Question 7. Give me a sec. What does sec mean?
Give me a sec.
Give me a sec.
Give me a sec.
A, second, time. B, security. C, secret. Correct answer? A, second, time. It means wait a moment. Question 8. He's acting weird. What does weird mean?
He's acting weird.
He was acting kind of weird.
Figure out why he's acting weird.
He's acting weird.
A, normal. B, strange. C, funny. Correct answer? B, strange. Question 9. I'm just messing with you. What does it mean?
I'm just messing with you.
I'm just messing with
I'm just messing with you.
I'm just messing with you for
A, I'm joking. B, I'm fighting. C, I'm ignoring you. Correct answer, A, I'm joking. Question 10. Let's call it a day. What does it mean?
Let's just call it a day.
Wait,
Let's not. Let's call it a day.
Let's call it a day.
A, let's celebrate. B, let's stop working. C, let's start again. Correct answer, B, let's stop working. All right, if you got these wrong, you need to watch this. Let's break down the two hardest ones. I'm gonna head out. This is connected speech. Going to becomes gonna in fast English. Real example. I'm gonna call you later. Native speakers say this all the time in movies. I'm just messing with you. This is informal slang. It means I'm joking or I'm teasing you. Real example. You really believe that? I'm just messing with you. This is why movies feel difficult. They don't use textbook English. So, what's your score? 8 to 10 correct? You're advanced. You understand real English. 5 to 7 correct? Intermediate. You're close. Keep practicing. 0 to 4 correct? Beginner. Don't worry. Now you know what to learn. If this helped you, subscribe. I post one grammar challenge every week.